Hi guys, it's Michelle at Serendipity House in New Hampshire. I am getting ready to stamp a bureau. I have the brand new summer 2018 release of birds, branches, and blossoms. And I've just opened the package and I'm laying my design out. I have a bureau, it's 2/3, and I've got it laying on its back. The reason I have it laying on its back is because it's just easier for me. I don't need to worry about gravity pulling it down, like if I'm holding my arm up. I've had them slide on me that way, so this way I can just kind of take my time, lay my design out, and do my thing. The great thing about this is that it really is just whatever's easiest for you. So, you know, I've done all different ways just to find what I like. So, okay, so I've got, I think that's a good start to my pattern. I am going to use a Klingon brush for my painting first here. So I've got these all face down, designed down, after I've taken them off my sheet. I am going to put this sheet back on it. Everything's just so shiny. And that will pick up. Okay, I'm going to take these out and I can add those after. Okay, so that's the beginning of my design. So everything you need really is right in the package. I am painting with a Klingon brush instead of a brayer because you can see this is got lots of texture and washes, and I don't want it to be perfect. I like to get brush strokes. You can see like a little bit of a pattern when you do this. This is a DIY big top. DIY golden ticket. Big top is the sealer that I use, unless I'm waxing. So it's a gold paint. It dries pretty quickly. I'm probably overdoing this, but since it's my first time using this stamp, let's see, I want to get it all in there. Okay, now flip it over, and you know, it might lay about where I had it and it might not. Okay, so once it's flipped over, you just kind of gently tickle it to get the details. Now, if this were standing up, I would be holding this in place, trying not to have it slip while I did this. And I can be clumsy, and so that is why I prefer just to lay my pieces down. All right, pretty sure I just moved it. Okay, can you see that? I am going to just do another one of it like this. It's really pretty easy. You take it out, you give it a little bit of a sand to take some of the sheen off. To be honest, I don't always do that. The paints that I use are flat, they're porous, they stay just fine. They don't stick where they're not supposed to, and they don't slide off. See, I'm probably getting pretty sloppy here. All right, so let's see. I'm just going to drop it. Where it lands is where it lands, because you don't want to move it once it has landed, or you mess your design up. So just a little bit of pressing it in. I will show you a close-up in a sec. All right, oh, looks like I got a little I'm going to add some flowers. I am just going to brush it right here and stamp them on. One right over the gold mark. That's a mistake. Just eyeballing it and filling in. This didn't come out as, and I'm going to do the other half of that. Really is forgiving. Okay, so I'm going to continue with this. I think you get the idea. Let's see if I can show you a little more close up. You can see with my gold paint, there's some brush strokes and some places that you can see through, and that's because I used the brush. And that's what I wanted. If you use a brayer, it's not going to do that. I also put it on heavy in some spots, and I like that because it gives dimension. So I'm going to finish this up and I will show you what it looks like when it's done. If you're looking for any of the new IOD products, you can go to www.serendipity.house. Thanks guys, have a great day.